Hey guys, welcome back to the Trout Outdoors channel. I'd like to welcome you guys. My name is Sam, and today we are going to Little Lake Adventure. We're going to try to catch some trout, try my best, and do a catch and cook for you guys. See you guys at the lake. Got one. Got the first trout of the trip. I got it. Look at that trout. Look at that beauty.
Yeah.
Oh, they just grabbed it. It was hungry.
Yeah.
Got another one. I don't know. Oh, hook. Yep, perfect. Alright. Yep, good catch, Paul. Okay, pliable casters. Pliable casters.
Huh?
I'm gonna cast one more time in life. Sure. That one? Yeah. Open through the go into the stomach. Beautiful. I'm guessing, because you want to get rid of that. A little not too tasty, you know. Look at over scale more to less, you know. Scaling it. 12-incher. I measured it. Whole piece. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Right now, let's take out our fish. Now we're gonna fry it for the catch and cook. There's the fish been marinating. Okay. And I'll just peel garlic out just to have extra flavor, you know. Here we go. Peel this garlic. Take this. Just want to take it like that, and then I usually like to grab a bigger knife because it just makes the garlic. Okay, garlic looks like it's nicely chopped. Okay, garlic looks good. Okay. Here's the butter. Now it's warmed up, and we'll just toss the fillets in right now. Here's the first fillet. Let's do skin first. Oh. Oh yeah. Nice sizz. There it goes. This side. Alright, time to flip them. Oh yeah, look at that golden brown. Yes. That's good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what you call a trout.